And in keeping with the fintech theme, we also have a budding star in the fintech space. We highlighted peer-to-peer lending as one of the key themes that will drive fintech this year. And one of the players in that space is Faircent. Let's hear out Faircent's co-founder and CEO Rajat Gandhi on the opportunities that they see as far as the P2P lending space is concerned.
Peer-to-peer lending is the next level of fintech. This is over the layer of the payments and everything, where you really disintermediate the banking system which is there, wherein you disrupt it and disintermediate it. And because we are able to connect individual lenders and borrowers. So our company, what it does is aggregates lenders and aggregate borrowers and connects them directly to take a loan. So you don't need a bank to take a loan from Faircent. So you could giving me a loan and I could be paying it back. What we do is we remove the great margins which typically banks make in between, the spread, and we pass it back to both the customers, whether it's the lender or the borrower.
All right. And what kind of lenders do you have as aggregated? From what I understand, about 6,000 lenders is what you have in your portal.
Yeah, so we have over 6,000 lenders. They are primarily people like you and me who work in organizations. Then we have a lot of people who are self-employed, who have small traders and all that, who really have some surplus money, somebody into trade, somebody is running a shop or a consultancy service. They are typically putting money out here and earning yields of upward of nearly 18-20%.
All right. Also, you've just got a brand new investor in the form of JM Financial Services, who have picked up a near 10% stake in Fair Assets, your holding company. Talk to us about that investment.
Yeah, so it's a pure financial investment. It's not a strategic investment as of now. And I think they understand finance. That's why they came in. And we are doing something very innovative on that. So I think Vishal and team are great guys to have on board. Before that, we had Mohandas Pai as our investor. He still contributed to this round also. So we have got some of the best guys in the industry backing us up.
All right. Talk to us about the RBI discussion paper which has come out as far as P2P lending portals are concerned. They've said that they have to register as NBFCs. Are you registered as an NBFC? What is your plan as far as sticking to regulatory concerns are concerned?
Look, we are a privately limited company right now. If the RBI asks us to become an NBFC, that's fine. But we are very happy the way RBI has gone about the thing. I think they have been very proactive. They are actually leading the innovation rather than following it. I think this is a great change. We were part of the Startup India, Stand Up India initiative of the government, and I think this is just falling through, coming into place with actually the various departments and the various institutions really backing it back with such policy and initiatives.